Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Colin from Clembark, where we are embarking on the journey to become millionaires in under 10 years. And this morning, August 1st, I finally sat down and calculated my net worth. And I was actually pleasantly surprised with what it came out to. But since we're early on in this journey and we're all starting at different points, I want to make sure we are all on the same page. And I want to quickly talk about what net worth is, how you can calculate yours. Then I'll jump into what mine is and where I want it to be at the end of the year. So to start this video off, let's establish the answer to what is net worth. Net worth is simply your assets minus your liabilities. Now I know some of you might be wondering now, Colin, what is an asset? Colin, what is a liability? So let me explain super quickly. An asset is simply something of value that you own. This is either money, something that makes you money, or something that you can sell today and make money from. This includes your savings, your house, your car, your business if you have one, any investments that you may have, and you take all of those and then you subtract out your liabilities. Your liabilities are simply everything that you owe. For most of us, this is simply debt. Any mortgage you might have, credit card debt, student loans, personal loans, car loans, any of the above. Liabilities can also be taxes that you know you're going to owe when tax season rolls around, or if you own a business, your employees' wages and money that you might owe other businesses in accounts payable can also be liabilities. So when it comes to calculating your net worth, go ahead and add up all of the assets, everything that you own, go ahead and add up everything that you owe, and then subtract the liabilities from the assets, and there's your net worth. This morning I went ahead and did that, and my net worth came out to $13,711.21. Now, for people who have seen my past videos, you're probably wondering, how did you jump from $10,000 to $13,500 in like 10 days? The simple answer to that question is that I was wrong. Until this morning, I totally forgot to include my car value in my net worth. So now that I have my new corrected net worth, how am I going to split it up? I'm putting $1,000 towards an emergency fund, $500 towards car repairs, $1,250 is going towards miscellaneous expenses, which sounds like a lot, I know, but I'm going back to school a month from now and college ain't cheap. I'm designating $500 towards starting a business, $2,500 is the value of my car, and I won't see that unless I sell it, and the rest of it, which is nearly $8,000, is all going to be put away in stocks. But wait, I originally set my net worth goal for the end of this year to be $12,500, but now that I've included my car, I've absolutely smashed that. Naturally, since the car added about $2,500 towards my assets, I'll just increase my goal by about $2,500. So now my new goal is $15,000 by the end of the year. This means I've got about 4 months to increase my net worth by about $1,300. But with about $1,700 in expenses from going to school and hopefully starting a business, that means that we actually have to increase our net worth by about $3,000. $3,000 in 4 months. This is going to take ridiculous budgeting, but I'll save that for the next video. If you stayed all the way to the end of this video and enjoyed it, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to join us on this journey. And send this video to a friend who has ever dreamed of being wealthy. This might be the push that they need. You never know. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.